Greetings! We have a little science experiment today with some Shungite. And here we have our Shungite. And we also have some Shungite water.
Oh, I love it for fun.
Alright. Somebody put their little grubby fingers on my water bottle, but y'all see it. Alright. And this is a Fluke Multi Meter, which measures resistance and other electrical terms that my husband is very versed in. I borrowed it from him. And basically what we're going to show is whether it can conduct, if Shungite is a conductor. So this right here shows, when I tap them together, it shows you that this multimeter is working and that there's a direct flow of current. It's not being broken up. And then I interrupt the current by taking it apart. If Shungite is a conductor, the flow of current will continue. So we're going to put our multimeter on to a piece of Shungite, which I got out of this little bag. Same Shungite. And we're going to place it. Try to keep my hand still. And as you can see, oh, it's slippering. But you can see that it is registering. The more it slips, the less it pulls. Are you getting it, Asia?
Yes. She's getting all of it.
All right. So that's a piece of Shungite. I'm going to do the same thing with this stone here. This is a what they call a zebra stone. And I just want to show you the difference in what it does. So it shows that the zebra stone is not a conductor. There's nothing going on there. Okay? Nothing at all. Zero. Shungite again. Oh. Okay, this particular piece of Shungite is not doing anything. All right, let's reset it. Okay. This piece of Shungite is a dud. Let's do this one again.
Lol.
Boom.
Boom.
Okay, let's try another piece of Shungite.
So that
How many?
That
was a dud. Oh my god.
That one doesn't work, but that one does.
Hold on, wait. Let's try some of these other pieces because that was weird. So this was the one we just did. Let's try some of these other pieces. That was really weird. I never thought about that. Maybe one is more than the other.
Nope. Dud.
It's not a dud.
Never know.
It's slipping. Oh wow. Let's try this one.
That one works.
This one works. Let's try this one.
That one works. That's nothing.
That one works. Let's try this one. Ah, stop slipping.
That one works. Can I try one? I think you would make it slip. I will not.
All right, Chase wants to try.
Let's try this one.
Chase, you're determined to make that one work?
Yup.
Look, what is going on with this piece? That is weird, dude.
Yeah, maybe it's a fake rock.
Okay, so maybe this is not a piece of Shungite. How did you get in the bag? Now, when you look at the Shungite, y'all,
Chase is in my way, so I can't really.
look how beautiful it is. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's full of carbon.
Sorry?
And we'll post the in the description what Shungite is actually made up of, where it comes from, and different ways you can use it. All right. So thanks for watching our video.
Wait, let me try one
And
before we end
here you
it.
go, Chase. Chase wants to try. Now let's get some out of this big bag. Let's see what's in this big bag. Oh, this dog smells horrible. Go away, dog. Ow. Go away, dog. Here, Chase.
Right. Robbie, chill out.
There you go. Thanks. So Chase is getting a reading on that one. Are you hungry, dog? You want to eat Chase? You want to eat Asian?
You want to eat mommy?
Don't eat the camera, girl. You want to eat my shoe? Get out of here, dog.
Let's see how many times. Let's see how much I can like do together. I don't think that's a good idea.
Here, give me that camera and get that dog out of here. Throw him out. Get out of here.
Oh my god, I had over like at least 100, almost 200.
So you're putting them together?
Yeah, see how much I can get.
You got to get them out, get the reader off the table. You got to actually touch the stone. So if you touch one on one stone and one on the other stone, you're not going to get a reading because you don't have anything in between it to carry it from one stone to the other stone. So you're not going to get a reading that way.
It will get a reading if I really put it together, but it's hard to like keep it together.
Oh, it did give a reading when you pushed it close together?
Yeah, let's see. Look at that. See? Hold up. It goes up for a second and then it stops.
Yeah. Yep, you just got on camera.
Remember when we did the bracelet? I think if they are all touching, it'll travel through. So that is our Shungite experiments. And thank you for watching. And if you need some Shungite, we got plenty. Holler at us. Peace and love, y'all.